Now, let's push the opening and closing curly braces and it automatically adds a pair. So you run it, no difference in output. You still get the same output. Adding curly braces or not adding curly braces doesn't make any difference if there's only one instruction associated with the condition. Run it to make sure that it works. Since the value of age is 10, the first condition will fail. You will go to the second condition. Now change the age to 20 instead of 10 and rerun the application. This time you will see adult instead of the minor. Now with each one of them, let's display console.writeLine entrance fee $20. And here we can say entrance fee $12. Okay, so now we have more than one instructions in each condition.